Hey guys, it's Queen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm sorry about the sun. I didn't really time myself well to make this video. I'm making it around 4:30, and the sun is already at this part of the room where I always use for my videos, but I have no choice but to use it. So in today's video, I'll be talking about two particular things, but I have a feeling I might have to cut the video so it will not be too long. And then the first thing I'll be talking about is reasons why your skincare products are not working, especially as an African, for everybody, male and female. And the first thing I want to say, I've always had this in mind that I am going to let this out of my chest and tell people what exactly is wrong with the products they're using. And the first thing is, you are not using the product for your skin type. Remember, there are different skin types, and the product has to write for all skin types before you can use it. Some people have dry skin. I see some people with dry skin saying they are using some things like, there are some types of lotion that they say they are using, and then but their skin is still dry, it's not working, they're having hyperpigmentation. And I'm like, look at the product. They do not write it there that it is for normal to dry skin or it is for all skin types, or they do not write it there that it is for oily skin. Some people will put for all skin types, no, it's fine, and then some people will say for oily dry skin. But at times you don't even check if it has, even with all the all skin types, there are some type of oily skin that you just have to go for oily skin products, but you don't read the ingredient, the kind of things you know to apply to your skin and everything. Let me just say you're just neglectful. Hey, you're just ignorant of the kind of things to put in your videos. The second thing I would say about skincare products not working for all is we are jumping to all products and then all DIYs. Actually, DIYs could also be the product we are using. It doesn't really have to be DIYs. It doesn't really have to be bought. It doesn't really have to be bought product. That it could be the ones you make at home, like the one I do, a DIY potting. I just make products myself. But when you are jumping from this particular one to particular one to particular one, today you are using turmeric face masks, tomorrow you are using cinnamon face masks, next tomorrow you saw one sugar scrub from somebody, you used it. Too many things. Just stick to one particular group of ingredients that you know work for your skin, or mixing them together in different percentages or everything. But stop jumping to all DIYs. They are going to, you are very lucky that they didn't even spoil your skin. Stop jumping to all DIYs and pick one particular one that is working for you. I don't know if you understand me. So don't just go from this to this. When you already see something that's working perfectly fine for you, stick to it. And the third thing, I had these things written down like from my mind, but I kind of forget, and I am going to teach you again. I'm going to remember. The third thing is the most important, that I said I was going to make these videos as short as I can so you guys can watch it completely. But you're not using sunscreen. If you're not using sunscreen for your product, you might just as well throw the other product away and just leave your skin like that going out under the sun, because some of these products you are using from some brands, from people, are actually working. Some of them are working, some of them are not. But if you are going, I don't know if they did not tell you, if you are going out under the sun, as I'm under the sun, I use my sunscreen, even though it is summer hours and it's just 5 seconds 5 seconds sun video. I don't know, if I move back you guys will not hear me. I don't understand this iPhone family, they are not allowed. So if you're not using sunscreen, you're just, what's the point? You're already burning the ingredients, the products you put in your skin. I don't know if that actually makes sense, but you're destroying them, so they're not going to do the work they're supposed to do. So sunscreen is like a very, very, very important something. And the fourth thing, you are not hydrating yourself. There's a difference between saying I have oily skin, I don't need water, or I'm always sweating, I don't need water, or you say that I don't want to be drinking too much water because I sweat or because I have oily skin. Drinking water is not just for people with dry skin, it is for everybody. Generally, everybody needs to take water. You need to be moisturized. I mean, you need to be hydrated from inside And then when you get irritated, when you use ingredients like hyaluronic, I pronounced it right, first time. When you use ingredients like hyaluronic acid, then from the water you've drank, the one around you and then the one inside of you, it is going to take a little bit of it and then put it on your skin to protect your skin from getting dried up, especially by the sun or things like that, or by stress, things like that. Do you understand? So you have to drink water, you need, and then bathe regularly, chill, stay at not too hot places and things like that. Just cool environments with water. So everybody needs to drink water. I will keep saying it, everybody needs to drink water. 4 reasons why your products are not working. The first one is
2,000 years later.
The first one is use the product for your skin type. Even if it has all skin types, just make sure you're using the one that, even the all skin types include products that will still benefit your own particular skin type. And then stop jumping to all DIYs and all products that you see out there. You're going to damage your skin. The third one, use sunscreen. Sunscreen should even be the fourth or the first. Always use sunscreen, please. I keep saying it, always use sunscreen. And the last one is drinking of water. Please, we need to drink water, you need to stay hydrated. We all need to be fresh from the inside and then from the outside. That's really all I have to say about reasons why your skincare products are not working. And I really hope you guys listened and understood what is wrong with your product, and then you actually do the things that you need to do. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video.